Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your site or how you can view your store on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, your Shopify store does have a website attached to it. It does have an online store maker, which you can freely use with Shopify, and I'm going to show you guys how you can access it and edit it and also view what that site is going to look like. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and from your dashboard, you're going to go to the right and click on Online Store, or to the left, pardon me. Once you're here, you're going to want to go into Themes, and as you can see, you'll see your currently selected theme here. Now, Dawn is the default one, so I'm just going to be using that. And to view what your site is going to look like and how you can, well, edit your site and make changes, you just click on Customize right next to it, and it'll open up, as you can see, this website viewer over here. Now, as you can see, you see your site just like so. This is the home page, and you can view all your pages by clicking here in the top and clicking whichever page you want to go. You can see the cart page, you can see the checkout page. As you can see, the cart is empty. You can go to checkout, and as you can see, the store doesn't receive orders yet, and as you can see, it failed to load the page. Not sure why, but it is what it is. I'm there. This should fix it. Now you can also go to pages, blogs, use whatever you want. You can go to products, and as you can see, you have 0 sign products, so I cannot access the products, but that is basically the gist of it. Now, if I go back to the home page, you can edit the elements of your pages just like so. Just let it load for a second. It seems to be glitching out for some reason. Let me refresh the page, and now it should load up. There we go. And as you can see, if I select the header, I can make changes to the header. I can make changes to the announcement bar, add segments under the announcement bar if I wanted to. And yeah, that's basically how you edit and view your site. You can add sections whichever you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.